But let me start with guidance. Some companies still can't give it. You are, and you are giving quite strong guidance. I think up 28% for subscription revenues for full year 2021. Non-GAAP subscription billings up 25%. What gives you the confidence that you can put those numbers out there?
Well, we are building the best platform for digital business in the enterprise today, and I give so much credit to our great engineers. You back that up with the secular tailwinds of digital transformation, the whole idea of cloud computing. Everything is moving to the cloud, and business models have to innovate to serve their customers in this new environment. All of those forces are core competencies of ServiceNow. And that's why we're growing faster than everybody else, and that's why our customers love us.
And the new environment, it's not even new anymore, of which we found ourselves. I mean, we've talked about it in the past. You've given some interesting predictions in terms of how much of a workforce will remain remote. But how has it impacted your business? How do you see that evolving over the course of this year as people do get back to the workplace?
Oh, look, we were very strong before COVID hit. Actually, COVID has accelerated digital transformation. So if you think about the world GDP, growth in the world is actually down, yet digital transformation and the spending in digital transformation is way up. And IDC, for example, predicts $7.4 trillion will be invested in this digital transformation movement in the next 3 years. So what's going on out there? St. Jude's Hospital, as an example, is one of the real success stories I enjoy for the quarter, because they had to work remotely to save children's lives. And by enabling St. Jude with the Now platform, they were able to take everything remote, streamline their operations, and deliver success in 30 days. And this same paradigm is true in NHS Scotland with vaccine management. Now vaccinating 5.5 million people on the Now platform, North Carolinians with 10 million citizens. So the point is, we can pivot so quickly in any environment, pre-COVID, COVID, and then more of a hybrid world after COVID, which is why we're growing faster than all the other ones. So I really see a reordering of the enterprise participants, and ServiceNow will continue to be the market leader for sure.
Bill, good morning. It's John. Hey, put a finer point on that for us, if you can, because we've seen such success from certain enterprise software players that were positioned right to begin with heading into this crisis. ServiceNow seeming to be one of them. What is the difference maker for you in 2021? Is it more the overall macro rebound, which, though, as you mentioned, you're doing better than overall the economies are? Or is there some particular area you're investing in, whether it's a particular engineering area or it's your sales force?
Well, that's a great question, John. If you take AT&T, take PayPal, Nike, BP, USAA, these are all customers we announced as references in the quarter. And what they all want to do is they want to deliver great employee experiences because, look, they're hiring people they never even met. They have to train them and bring them up to full productivity really fast. They have to now service their customers in a frictionless environment where the customer now gets streaming services, as an example, that they can subscribe to and have an incredible customer experience. And you have to use virtual agents and all of these new AI technologies to simplify the customer experience. So, John, our competitive advantage is the platform itself. We have one platform on the best architecture, and we're doing it all organically. On a year-over-year basis, we had 2 major product releases. We have 70% more functionality that we're delivering to our customers, and we built it all organically. And there's nobody that's growing at more than 30% on a year-over-year basis, at 25% operating margins, with $1.5 billion in free cash flow, all spinning off from organic innovation, great engineering, exceptional go-to-market and customer care, and that's why our customer is the most loyal in the business. So, John, this is sustainable, and that's why we were bullish when we came into the forecast, and we remain bullish.
All right, and that's why the stock is up almost 75% over the last year. Bill, as I said, we got to leave it a bit short today than we don't typically do. Look forward to seeing you next quarter. Thank you.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.